I'm going to show you easy ways to creatively make your plastic surgery marketing reach more prospective patients. Now, the secret is to be compelling, so patients who see it want to share it with their friends and family. For example, Facebook Live cosmetic treatment videos. Have your staff shoot a video performing a simple cosmetic treatment on a real patient. Do something simple like a peel or an IPL or microneedling treatment. Now walk the audience through what you're doing and ask the patient how they're doing so the viewers can see how easy cosmetic rejuvenation is to perform. Now invite them into your practice for a complimentary skin analysis and urge them to share this video with their friends and family. Also urge the viewers to comment below so you can answer their questions and concerns. The interaction helps build interest and shares. The point is to introduce them to a simple cosmetic procedure so they get to know you better and want to stay for more rejuvenation procedures as well as surgery. Now here's number 2, word of mouth referral program. Now here's another retention strategy that makes sense, and that's the word of mouth referral program. There are many ways to do this, but my advice is keep it simple. These programs bomb when they're so complicated and confusing that nobody can figure it out, the patients or the staff. Now, a super easy referral strategy is a simple customized word-of-mouth referral display with takeaway referral cards at your checkout counter, because your patients would refer more often if they were reminded and if it were made easy for them to do so. This strategy generates new patients every week and makes it easy for your patients to brag about you to their friends. So you're not hoping new patient referrals come in, they just come in automatically because they are part of your plan. Now another strategy to reach more patients is your YouTube Q&A videos with the surgeon. So you start your YouTube channel and you answer questions you get from your patients. Don't overthink this and over-prepare. Just have your staff use an iPad and they can ask you a question about a procedure. You just stay relaxed and talk candidly as if you are talking to a prospective patient asking you questions about the procedure they're interested in. Now, after uploading each video, here's the secret. Send an email out to your patient list with the link to click to watch it on YouTube. Name your video with a compelling question. For example, how long is liposuction downtime? Now, anyone online looking for the answer to that question will find your video. The above strategies on how to make plastic surgery marketing reach more patients included internal as well as external marketing ideas to execute. Now you can either outsource to an experienced vendor who knows about graphic design and social media advertising, or assign this to your most tech-savvy employee. They can learn on the go by researching forums and tutorials. So what to do next? If you want to focus on the right activities and get results 5 times faster than other practices, download my latest report. It's called The Best Cosmetic Patient Attraction Plan for 2019.